Okay, now question number 5. Okay, so yes, we are in question number 5 now. You already know the format, okay, and you must write in the books of H. Hastir. Bank reconciliation statement as on 31st March 2019. Okay, so here in this particular question, uh, the cash book is showing a debit balance of rupees 8,632 rupees. So it is a positive balance. So you must write in the plus side. Okay, so bank balance as per cash book, you write in the plus side. Okay, and just this question number 2, sorry, question number 3. See, I have included this add items separately and less items separately. Okay, I have classified this. Uh, when you do this BRS, okay, continuously, okay, if you practice this, by just by looking at the question, you will come to know that these are the plus items and these are the minus items. Okay, just by looking at the question, you will have that knowledge. Okay, but you can solve the question like this also. Okay, just write the items in the serial order, okay, as it is given in the question, and be it plus, if it is plus, you would record in the plus side. If it is minus, then you record in the minus side. Okay, so it is a debit balance, which means it is a positive balance, so you are writing in the plus side. Okay, now let us read question number 1. Sorry, adjustment number 1. Checks issued to G Gupta for rupees 1,300 and A Apte for rupees 2,400 had been presented for payment. Sorry, had not been presented for payment to the bank. Now, when you issue the check in favor of someone else, what you do? You immediately record the transaction in the cash book. Okay, you subtract the balance of your bank. Okay, so according to you, money gets reduced, but both this G Gupta and A Apte, they haven't presented for payment yet. Okay, they haven't sent the check that was issued by you for collection, which means the money hasn't been subtracted from your bank account. So what you will do, you will simply write point number adjustment number 1, check drawn but not presented. Okay, for payment. Okay, in the bracket you must write 1,300 and 2,400, and the total it should be 3,700. Why we are adding these two items? Because you had issued two checks, one for G Gupta rupees 1,300 and for A Apte rupees 2,400. Both these checks have not been presented for payment. Okay, till this date, 31st March 2019. Okay, when you when you are comparing the cash book and bank balance, I mean the passbook, you found some differences were there. Okay, so the checks were issued but not presented for the payment. So what you will do is you will plus the item because the money has not been subtracted from your bank account. Okay, now point number 2. A payment of rupees 920 from B Bhaval made direct to the bank by credit transfer had not been recorded in the cash book. So the money has been deposited by the debtor, okay, by one of your debtor, that is B Bhaval. Okay, so B Bhaval, he deposited 920 rupees in your bank account, but the same transaction was not recorded in cash book. So the bank balance has been already increased. So what you must do, you must increase you must increase your cash book balance also. Okay, but you cannot make change in cash book as well on a particular date. Okay, so you cannot overwrite the item. So you are preparing a BRS. Okay, so you will plus the item out your 920 rupees. Okay, now this a payment of rupees 530 for motor car insurance made by bank's standing order had also not been recorded in the cash book. So as per your standing order, okay, bank is making a payment of rupees 530 on your behalf. Okay, so 530 rupees has been subtracted from the bank, but You didn't record the same in cash book. You must subtract the amount, 530 rupees. Okay. Now question, adjustment number 4. Bank charges for the month amounted to rupees 23. So bank charges not recorded in cash book. It must be subtracted from the cash book also. Okay. Now this last one, a bank deposit of 3640 made in the afternoon on of 31st March had not been included in the bank statement. So on 31st March afternoon, you deposit rupees 3640. Okay. It has not been mentioned that whether it is a check deposit or a cash deposit. Whatever be the case, the ultimate effect is bank balance should increase. Okay. And when you deposit rupees 3640 in the bank, you will record in the cash book immediately towards the debit side. Okay. So but the bank statement is not highlighting this amount, which means bank has not included 3640, but it's recorded in cash book. So you must reconcile this particular transaction. So you must record in the minus side. Okay. Now you will draw a line. Okay. Now find the total of the plus side. It will be 13252. Okay. And for minus, it will be 4193. Okay. Now see which side is more. Obviously, this plus side is more, which means the difference between these two items, 13252 minus 4193, 9059 is the difference. So you will write the difference towards the plus side only. Why? Because the total of the plus side is more. Okay, so you will write as 9059. And we already know that when the question starts with cash book, you get a answer as passbook. Okay, so this is your balance as per the passbook. Since it is in the plus side, you will record as a credit balance of passbook. Okay, so that was the question number 5. You can try question number 4 on your own. Okay, so it's for the practice. It will be better if you try question number 4. Okay, if answer is matching, then it is okay. But if you are unable to match the answer, please let me know immediately. Okay, so that I can provide you the solution.